The FelPro timing cover gasket set is the perfect solution for your timing chain or timing belt replacement job. This comprehensive set includes all the necessary gaskets and seals, specifically designed for your vehicle, ensuring a perfect fit and efficient installation. Each gasket is engineered to meet the high standards required in the repair environment, offering unsurpassed quality and durability. FelPro gaskets are known for providing 100% sealing capability, and their application-specific materials deliver the performance and longevity that professionals trust. When replacing your timing chain or belt, it is crucial to use the correct gaskets and seals to prevent leaks and ensure the longevity of the repair. The FelPro timing cover gasket set is validated for fit, form, and function, ensuring that each component is designed to work seamlessly with your engine. This set is not only a high-quality replacement, but it also comes with all the necessary components for a smooth, hassle-free installation. Customers have shared positive experiences with this set, noting how it provided more components than they initially needed for their specific job. One reviewer explained that they only needed the two main gaskets for the outside timing chain cover, but the set also included gaskets for the inner timing chain cover, which allowed for a more complete replacement. They found that the extra components were useful and ended up using them, making the installation process smoother and more efficient. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this FelPro timing cover gasket set is the perfect solution for ensuring a secure, leak-free repair on your vehicle. With its high-quality construction and vehicle-specific design, you can trust this set to deliver reliable performance. Click the link in the description to purchase the FelPro timing cover gasket set today and ensure your timing chain or belt replacement job is done right the first time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great automotive products.